Are you ready to step into your dream sitcom life? Look no further than Yugo Clifford House in Exeter. Nestled in a tranquil Stadium Way neighborhood, the property offers modern and stylish apartments with ensuite and studio layouts for you to choose from. Each room comes fully furnished with everything you need: a comfortable bed with bedside table, dedicated stud nook, and lots of storage space. Plus, enjoy the convenience of your own squeaky, clean ensuite shower room. But that's not all. Need to stay fit? Hit the on-site gym. Want to unwind? Catch a movie in the exclusive cinema area or play games with friends in the games room. The choice is yours. Forget about rushing to classes or missing out on social life. The location of Yugo Clifford House is unbeatable, with elite universities like the University of Exeter and Exeter College just a walk away, and trendy cafes and bars like the Bowling Green and St. Anne's Well around the corner. And with various bus stops and train stations like Albion Place Bus Stop and St. James Park Transit Station at your disposal, the entire city of Exeter is yours to explore. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Write your story the way you always wanted at Yugo Clifford House. Hurry and book your room now at amberstudent.com today.